Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer your savings with Capital One. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your savings with Capital One, start by visiting the Capital One website or opening the Capital One app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts section from the main menu. Here, you will see an overview of all your accounts, including your savings account. Select the savings account you want to transfer money from. Look for the option that says Transfer Money or Move Money. Click on this option to initiate the transfer process. You will then need to choose the account you want to transfer money to. If you are transferring to an external bank account, you may need to link that account first. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review any fees or transfer limits that may apply to your transaction. After confirming the details, click on Continue to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a security question or code sent to your phone or email. Once your identity is verified, finalize the transfer by clicking on Submit. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your transfer is in process. Check your email or notifications for updates about the status of your transfer. Keep in mind that transfers may take a few business days to complete, depending on the accounts involved. After the transfer is completed, you can view your savings account balance to confirm the transaction. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support for assistance. That's it. You have successfully transferred your savings with Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.